everyone, I am Sanjeevani Sharma. So thank you for coming back to my channel. आज का वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले I would just like to say that thank you for watching my videos and staying up with all the content that I'm putting. I'm trying my best to create different content because of the pandemic and the lockdown, and I try to maintain to this channel as much as I can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and do ring the bell icon. Coming back to the video, so today I'll be reviewing some of the products that I ordered from Nykaa, and I got this amazing box that I'm going to show you. So this is the box that I received from Nykaa. I ordered 8 products from them from different brands. Also before that, Nykaa पर pink sale चल रही है. So you have a lot of discount going on and बहुत सारे ऑफर्स भी हैं, एंड उसी ऑफर्स के चलते आई गॉट 2 products absolutely free. So I'll be showing you all the products. So the first, I'll put this down. These I know Nykaa से ये कौन ऑर्डर करता है, बट Savlon के सैनिटाइजर्स कहीं मिल नहीं रहे थे, and we wanted to order new sanitizers for the house, so I ordered these 2 products. This was 50 rupees each and I ordered 2, but I want to order more, so I'll be placing another order soon. So the next thing that we have is this. I ordered a bubble yum color from Nykaa, and I haven't used it, but Nykaa में एक option होता है that you can choose the shade of your color or your skin tone, and you can see how the color looks on your hand. So I tried that on the app, and yeah, this is the color that I got. And I also wanted a one in black, but it wasn't available, so I'll be ordering it later. That I ordered was this. So I ordered a hydrating body lotion from Mamaearth. My sister is using Mamaearth for very long, and she recommended me this. And the lotion that I ordered is a hydrating body lotion with cucumber and aloe vera. And because I get this little bumps after waxing or after anything I do, my hands are really sensitive, so I need something with cucumber and aloe vera, so I ordered this. And now the next thing I am going to unpack would be this. I haven't even opened this yet. I am sorry, I'm very bad with the packaging. So for so long I wanted to order a face oil, and चाहे मेरे फेस वॉश हो या चाहे मेरी फेस क्रीम हो, आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि मेरी फेस क्रीम में टी ट्री ऑयल हो, बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड रियली गुड रिव्यूज ऑन गूगल एंड कोरा दैट टी ट्री इज रियली good for your skin, and I've been using teas that have tea tree in it for so long, and I get no acne because of that. Touch wood. But I ordered this tea tree oil from Nykaa, and this is Nykaa's natural edition tea tree oil essential, and this is a 10 ml bottle that I ordered. Now the next item that we ordered is this. I've been hearing so much about Pro Concealer from Insight, and I see every MUA have this, and the best thing is that this was just for 180 rupees on Nykaa. Dude, go and grab your deals from there. So this is Pro Conceal HD High Definition. This is of my skin type, and I am soon going to make a makeup video, though I'm really not good with makeup, but I am soon going to do a makeup video, and there you can see how this looks on my skin. Now the main thing that I ordered is an eyeshadow palette. So this is an eyeshadow palette that I ordered from Revolution, and this is a shadow palette that they have, and this was some special edition they had. It's called Forever Flawless Fire, and it have different shades in it, and the particular shade that I was looking for was a red and a yellow, that too matte. And the amazing thing is that इसमें वो दोनों है, and मैं आपको खोल के दिखाती हूँ. The best part about this eyeshadow palette is that इसकी पैकेजिंग बहुत अच्छी है. ये बहुत अच्छे से पैक्ड है, and this is how it looks. Look at the color, guys. Look at how beautiful the shades look. I'll dab my finger in one of the colors and I'll show you. Look at the consistency. I mean, wow. I always wanted a eyeshadow palette that looks something like this, and I finally got it. So I'm so happy to use it on my skin now. The next thing that I'm going to show you are the two products that I got free from my entire purchase. And these two products are, one is a lipstick and the other one is a Mamaearth oil-free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar. And as you all know that apple cider vinegar is really good for your skin, and even if you take randomly ऐसे ही पानी के साथ सुबह उठ के, it really helps your metabolism and your skin. And the next thing that I got is this lip shade from Nykaa, the one that I'm wearing, and I am a really big fan of dark lip shades. I recently ordered from Sugar all the dark shades, and this is very similar to the one that I ordered recently. And so these are all the products that I ordered. These were the 8 items that I ordered. One is Revolution eyeshadow palette, one is tea tree oil, one is my nail paint from Nykaa, the other is body lotion, 2 Savlons and 1 Pro concealer. And these are the 2 items that I got free from Nykaa. So I'll be putting all the links and all the description with the price, actual price and the discounted price in the description box below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned. I'm going to put more videos on my YouTube channel now, and I am going to maintain it. So thank you.